G'day guys, Greg here. Welcome to Greg's Kitchen and thanks for clicking on the video. Now I've got a question for you. Do you ever have like hard-boiled eggs sitting in your fridge and you're always wondering what to make with them? I know I have that problem all the time. So today I thought I'd make a really nice toasted cheese, bacon and deviled egg sandwich. Let me show you how I'm going to make it. This is Greg's Kitchen. So for this, what I'm using is a couple of hard-boiled eggs. I've got some mustard here. This is a Dijon, although you can use any old mustard if you want. I've got some mayonnaise, bacon, cheese, bread, and of course, some butter. Oh yeah, I love this stuff. So for starters, let's turn the frying pan up pretty high. Now is that warmed up yet? Oh, yes it has. Sweet. So we'll start the bacon cooking. And while that's cooking, we'll start making this egg mix. So we'll chuck the eggs in. I might try and just crush them up a bit first. Just a quick mush like that. And get some mustard. I better not cross-contaminate that because people will get up me. And I'll just use just a tiny bit of mustard there. And got some mayo, and I probably want to use about 3 times as much mayo as I did mustard. Maybe 4 times. What about 5 times? What do you reckon? Are you any good at maths? Oh no, I'm not. I might as well just crack a bit of pepper in there. Why not? Now you can add some salt if you want, but I just think because of the bacon and the cheese, they're both pretty salty, so there's no point adding extra salt for no reason. Ooh, this bacon seems like it's cooking pretty well. Yep. Keep cooking. And what I'll do is I'll just butter this bread. Now if you really wanted to, you could even use just the mayonnaise instead of butter. That'd be good. Alright, how's this bacon going? Yeah, she'll be right, mate. She'll be right. Okay, well, let's start throwing this together. So I'll just flip the bread. I'll add the cheese. I'll add the egg. And I'll add the bacon. And now I better turn the frying pan down a bit, maybe to about halfway, or a bit lower, because I don't want this sandwich burning. And now it's just a matter of toasting this sandwich. You can give it a few minutes on this side and flip it and see how it's going, and then flip it back if it needs a bit more time. Hopefully this bacon fat can go all over the base of this sandwich as well. That'll give it some more flavour. Alright, well it's been a few minutes. Let's see how it's going. Oh yes. Delicious. Alright, well that sanger's done. Which way do you like to cut your sandwiches? This way or this way? Let me know down below. I think I like to go diagonal. Oh yeah. That looks great. Just look at that melted cheese in there. Oh yeah, can't wait to eat this. Come at me. Oh my god. That takes bacon and eggs to a whole new level. Oh yeah. Oh. I think I might even add some hot sauce to that. I reckon that'll make it taste even better. Anyway, that's all today. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe for more if you want to see some more awesome recipes like this. I also do heaps of food reviews, and I'll see you next time for my next upload. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is great.